Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by ensuring prerequisites are present: Visual Studio Code, Chrome, and the live server extension. Once done, open your project folder and select the HTML file you want to preview. Now click the Live Server button in the status bar to launch a local server. This opens a Chrome tab. This step makes your files accessible over HTTP, which is essential for browser dev tools and extensions. Make sure the port shown in the address bar matches the server output. Next, you'll integrate Chrome with VSCode's debugger. Install the debugger for Chrome extension, then add a launch configuration in VSCode/launch. JSON using type set to PWA Chrome and the URL that live server provided. Once configured, set breakpoints inside your JavaScript files. Start the debug session from the Run panel. VS Code will open a new Chrome instance or attach to an existing one, enabling step-through execution, variable inspection, and console forwarding so you can test behaviors interactively. To finish, confirm the Chrome instance is controlled by VS Code. Either allow VS Code to launch Chrome or close other Chrome windows so the debugger attaches cleanly. If live server uses a different port, update launch. JSON's URL or add port mapping. This ensures source maps and breakpoints align. If breakpoints don't hit, verify web root points to your project root and that source maps are enabled. One quick troubleshooting tip: restart both live server and the debug session to clear stale connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.